I first started with Devonleigh as a labor back when I was 16. I did that for a year and then I started framing, and I framed for Devonleigh for about 7 or 8 years, and then I've become a supervisor since then.
My role entails various aspects of the construction building phases, anywhere from scheduling the trades to meeting with the city inspectors for each building inspection.
Finishing supervisor means that I basically, throughout the day, I'm focused solely on the finished part of the house. During the framing of the house, I'm trying to walk in and envision what the house looks like at the end and how to produce the finished product.
I have been working here for 15 years. My original role was as a framer, and then proceeded to supervise construction sites for probably close to 10 years.
Every aspect of the build with Devonleigh Homes is very in-depth. We keep an eye on attention to detail every stage of the building process, right from putting the foundation in to the day of closing.
I think what makes Devonleigh Home a Devonleigh Home is that the time and the care that goes into every house. Everyone involved with these houses, they seem to really care about the finish of them, and it's not just a job of just get it done. It's really about making it a home.
I believe that all the trades that work in our houses truly care about the work that they put in.
When you buy a Devonleigh home, you can rest assured that you will get good quality and great value. We always see people making money on our products when they sell down the road.
Working for Devonleigh Homes is like working for family. They are extremely passionate to every trade, to every employee, which overall creates a great work environment and a great camaraderie.
What makes Devonleigh a bit different is that all the trades that work with us and all the people that work with us, they've all been here for a long time.
I started out working for Devonleigh Homes actually as a co-op student through high school. I started right from the bottom, picking up garbage, sweeping out houses. I moved on to then framing with the carpenters, framing different houses, which then in turn I took on the role of site supervisor after I gained a few years of experience framing.
To be a part of Devonleigh Homes for me it's a great opportunity for a young person to come and establish skilled trade. I began here working as a carpenter, and now I am in kind of a management role, and it just goes to show even before 30 there's a lot of growth that's available here at this company.
When you meet someone who's lived in a Devonleigh home, they're always so happy with it, and to know that you're building like a home for someone and not just like a house, it just means a lot more.